KCTV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat bakanet foolish, ordan mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dob ying jompi.
Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Marry you anyway. Marry that girl. No matter what you say. Marry that.
Ka Manipur ka yok Korea ka nam job. Da ka Liem no dan Riulan no ya ka Assam ha ka under 17 women's football ha ka second Northeast Olympic Games 2022 ka long ha third ground polo ha ka pratring unai weng arajar arwar. Kat ba ka Meghalaya kalamat ya ka nam rem hadien ka jingsha Liem no ha ka Mizoram da Saugol laar ha ka jinga kon ha ka ni ka juk sngi. Ha ka khandai trik unai weng ka jinga kon jong ka under 21 men's kan long hapadeng ke Arunachal Pradesh persya ya ke Meghalaya kat ba ke Mizoram kan ya kon persya ya ke Assam bat ke Sikkim persya ya ke Nagaland.
Shoot! Bang Abu Bual up! Bang! Slide! Slide! Ten! The atmosphere around this ground here, all these years this ground has been very lonely post sunset, but now thanks to the Northeast Games, lights have been installed here in a very quick manner and allowing us to, for the first time after 10 years of this ground being established, to witness matches in the evenings. So it's wonderful to see crowds come in and watch games, and and to see football under floodlights after a very, very long time, and for the first time on this ground. So thanks to the Northeast Games, and I think the excitement is just building up. Can't wait for more matches to happen and for the entire games to be inaugurated. No, so yes, I think from the from the entire committee, there's already a very strict protocol laid down. Unfortunately, we have a shortage of capacity in terms of number of spectators that can be accommodated. So, but anyway, there is a system that has been made wherein a certain number of passes are being issued per day, and essentially only those people who are pass holders or who obtain passes will be able to at least get to sit in the stands that have been created, and the rest of the people who do not get the passes, there's another section behind where they can at least view the matches from. And but otherwise, yes, there is a system and a security system to ensure that there is no overcrowding. Yes, message is go and come early, pick up your passes from the counters as early as possible so that you're guaranteed entry, and come and be part of the Northeast Games and watch some good football.
Kapten jong adi sunalin dayo rin ngadi ka kapten jong Meghalaya football ki minta kas ni la kai imad badi first bun tigi badai dang di first takadaw long imad bandar ros hindi te tang langut hi gibala shala kai ta takadaw long different ta minta ba la kai bun ba badang nervous na barang di first time the next game but day ngin saya tristam biang bangin poi chakmat mo ngilala kai bahi tang ba kam di kasngi ngila tristam hi bro katim tang ba imat bun hi kini ba dang la kai first time imat bayating kumto rain le kata next game but day ngin saya tristam kin bangin job bangin poi chakmat tim jungi em bun ba miscontrol dang ta bun hi ba don confident ta bala kai imat bay ting baki he andre hindi mo lagi em kis state mo ki he tang ba ngi pa ding kamret hi tang ba next game pa ding system bet bang job ila pen la don si blai tang ba don hi kini bala kai suburto kidang dang di first time jong kita takadaw imat ba nervous ta takadaw tang langut hi bala lalong la kai sabar ta takadaw dang long nervous benar barang di first game takadaw next